Hi, I'm Lizzie. I'm the marketing manager here at Xverify, and today I'm going to show you how to batch upload your files to process through verification. You'll want to access the batch upload portion of the platform by selecting batch upload on the left-hand side. When you get there, you'll see the screen shown here. The first thing you're going to want to do is select the file upload type. Now, this basically is you selecting the services you want to run today. So you can select email verification, email and phone, email and address, or any combination of those. What I want to show you is the sample files, so that way you can format your files correctly. Remember, these are CSV files that you're going to need to upload, and these will help you format your columns. So what we'll do, if you click on the sample phone file, you'll see that the phone column needs to be titled phone with the phone numbers below. If we click the email sample file, we'll see the column needs to be titled email with the email addresses below. And when we move on to address, we'll see that we need a few columns titled this way: address with the street address below, city, state with the abbreviation, and zip with the 5-digit zip code below that. If you like, you can add your email address into this box right here, so that way you can see a notification in your inbox whenever the file is processed. It helps because if you have other things to do, you kind of just get the notification when the job is complete. From here, you'll upload your list. You can do this in 4 ways. You can select from computer, which I'll do in a second, from FTP, where you provide those credentials and we access the file via FTP. From cloud, you have these 3 options for cloud services. You'll select connect on the right-hand side to connect Xverify to any of those, or you can connect us to your ESP. These are the ones that we have integrations with currently, and to connect Xverify to any of those, you'll select connect and go through that process then. Please note, when you upload your files, they can have additional columns such as first name, last name, company name, etc., and even address or phone number if you don't select those. We won't touch them. What we'll do is we'll append our status columns for the service you selected after the last column in the file. So this is why you want to make sure you select the service before uploading your file type. So that way we'll look to make sure that the columns are titled correctly for the services you choose to run. For today's example, I'm going to select from computer. I'm going to add files right here. And let's go with my newsletter file. Again, it's a CSV, and because I selected email address, we went through and checked that the email column was titled correctly and formatted correctly. So I see this cute little check mark here, and then I'll click submit. Once everything is uploaded, I'll get this confirmation message that it was uploaded successfully, and then at the bottom, I'll see it start processing. You can upload as many files as you want. You'll just have to do this one by one. And again, you don't have to wait for them to start processing. It's a first in, first out situation with processing. And with the file size, the limit is typically 2 million emails per file. If you have more than this, please break the file down into smaller file types, or you can reach out to your account manager to have it posted via FTP to us. For processing, we can typically process 200 to 300,000 validations per hour for your account, and you'll need to refresh your browser to see this status update. So that's how you're going to upload your list to the Xverify platform to run through processing. If you want to check the status again, you can click the file name and you'll see that it's queued. If it's a complete file and you wish to download that data from our platform, you'll just click the file name and hit the delete button on the right-hand side. From here, you'll confirm that by clicking OK, and then we'll let you know that that service has been performed. So when you go back and click the file, you'll see that that data was removed. Please note, we only store the data on our server for up to 30 days. After this, you'll be able to see reports on your data. So that's how you're going to upload your file to the Xverify platform.